A cylinder has head and radius that constantly changing. Given that the cylinder head is 3 times of the radius base and the volume of the cylinder increase at a constant rate of 90 theta cm 3 seconds. Find the rate of change of the radius when the radius is 5 cm. To find this answer, we need to know the formula of cylinder. The formula of cylinder is V equals of pi r power 2 hash, and it's given dV per dt equals of 90 pi cm 3 per second equals of 90 pi cm power 3 s minus 1, and the heat is equal of 3r and radian is equal of 5. To find dr per dt, we need to equals of dr per dv times of dv per dt. So the dr per dv is equals of v pi r power 2 hash, and for the dv per dt is equals of 90 pi cm power 3 s minus 1. We need to write dv per dr equals of pi r power 2 hash bracket 3r, so that it will be 3 pi r power 3 and then 3.3 pi r power 2 and 9 pi r bracket 5 power 2, and the final answer is 225 pi. And then down the answer, 1 per dv equals of 1 per 225 pi. And then for dr per dt is equals of 1 per 225 pi times 90 pi equals of 90 per 225 equals of 2 per 5, and the final answer is 0.4 centimeter per second minus 1. Question B. Determine whether the equation fx is equals of 4x power 2 minus 5x minus 6 is a maximum, minimum or inflection, and sketch the graph of f. So down the dy per dx equals of 8x minus 5, and make dy per dx equals of 0, so that 8x minus 5 equals 0, x equals 5 per x. Next, substitute x equals 5 per x into y. Take the equation from the question that he already give. Put fx equals 4x power 2 minus 5x minus 6, and switch the x into the x that we already calculate, so that before bracket 5 per 8 close bracket power 2 minus 5 bracket 5 per 8 close bracket minus 6, and then take the calculator and put that equation to the calculator. After you get the answer, put the answer, and your final answer, it will be pi equals of minus 121 per 16. So the stationary point 1 is equals 5 per x and 1 minus 121 per 16. After that, find the nature. So the nature it will be dy per dx, and it will be equals of 8x minus 5, and change dy dx to d power 2y per dx power 2, and equals of 8 greater than 0 plus, and you will get nature equals of mean points x 5 per 8 for coordinate y minus 121 per 16. And final part is sketch the graph. To sketch the graph, at least we need 3 minimum coordinate. To find coordinate, firstly, stationary point, coordinate x 5 per 8, and coordinate y minus 121 per 16. Second, x equals of 0, fx equals of 4 times 0 power 2 minus 5 times 0 minus 6. Y equals of minus 6. Third, y fx equals of 0, and that equals of 30 equals of 4x power 2 minus 5x minus 6, and then use factorization. 4x plus 3 and x minus 2 equals of 0, and it will get x equals of minus 3 per 4, and x equals of 2. So coordinate 1 is x minus 3 per 4 and y 0. For coordinate 2, x equals of 2 and y equals of 0. After that, put the x 0 and y minus 6, and then bracket 2 and 0, which is 2 is x and 0 is y. So that means it will be minus 3 per 4 and 0, and it's equal of 0.75 and 0. After you get all the coordinate, you can sketch the graph and put that coordinate to the graph.